Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to draw a crab and I'm going to teach you how to do this step by step. I'm using a pen and a piece of paper. You can use a pencil and then I would love you to paint it afterwards. You can use orange. You can go onto my videos and find out how to mix a few shades of orange. You can make it a collage with lots of different pieces of coloured paper stuck on there. Have fun with it and I look forward to seeing how you get on. Okay, the first thing you need is a nice clear page. And we're going to start with the body, which goes along and down and in a little bit and around and back up again. And then I like to have a frilly bit across the top. So a little frilly bit because crabs are crunchy. And then along the bottom, another little frilly bit. And then the legs, we're going to have each side. These are the two big snappers. I'm going to start with one, and then on the other side. And we're going to do 4 different parts to this, and 4 different parts to this. And the same here. And now you want 2 eyes. And you can have a few little claws here. And then here we want 3 sets of legs. And here 3 sets of legs. But they're smaller. And there you go. Crab.